Hi everybody and welcome back to Northwestern Models TV, and today is a special day because today is the anniversary of perhaps the world's most famous locomotive. And no, I'm not talking about Flying Scotsman, I'm talking about this little engine which is just coming onto our layout at the moment. It is of course everyone's favourite little blue engine, Thomas. Now, Thomas the Tank officially is celebrating its 75th birthday this year, and as such, it's important to remember the fact that a lot of people have got interested in modern railways and heritage railways, all thanks to this particular little blue engine. And not everybody likes Thomas, which is hard to see, but there is no doubt that without Thomas we would not have the modern railway industry or the heritage railway industry. He is an incredibly important part and rightly should be celebrated at the heritage railways and obviously at modern railway shows and events. Now, as I said, it's his 75th anniversary. Technically, Thomas didn't actually appear until the year later, but the island of Sodor and Thomas's friends essentially appeared 75 years ago. So it's his 75th birthday, and as such we are doing a special offer for the next 7 days, and that is if you spend £15 or more in store with us online. If you put in the code Thomas75, which should appear on the screen now, if you put that code in at checkout, you will get £7.50 off your order. So it's nice and simple, nice and easy. So celebrate those Thomas Tank Engine's wonderful 75th birthday and enjoy yourselves during this rather difficult time.